6-hour time difference between Chicago and Seattle. We will be taxiing for the next few moments. We ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and with all carry-on items stowed until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. At that time, please ensure that you do have all of your personal belongings. Please take care when opening those overhead compartments, as contents may have shifted during the flight. You may now use your cell phone. For any of you making connections here in Seattle, unfortunately, I do not have any connecting gate information. Once you step off the aircraft, you can look in the terminal area for those departure monitors. They will let you know where your next gate will be departing from. On behalf of your Chicago-based in-flight and cockpit crew, we would like to sincerely thank you for your business this morning. We do know that you have a choice of airlines, and we are thankful that you chose United for your air travel today. If Seattle is home, we'd like to say welcome home. If you are visiting, we hope you have a great stay. And if you are continuing on to another destination, we wish you a very safe and a very happy journey. Once again, thank you for flying United. Have a great day.